Hey, it's my bike in the stand today. Yay! So, 3 jobs. Firstly, I am going to have a look at the jockey wheels and clean the crud off those. All of that. Secondly, I am going to have a look at my bottom bracket. It's making horrendous noise, and I think there's probably a bit of play, so it's time for that to change. Finally, I'm going to investigate another noise, this time coming from my front brake. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. These are kind of jobs that anyone can do at home. Come on one of my courses, click on the link, and then you can learn to do it too.